a delicate masterpiece born in the misty mountains of Fujian in China. With roots stretching over 1,000 years, it's renowned as one of the 6 traditional tea types and is celebrated for its purity and graceful flavor. Fuding White Tea is crafted with minimal processing to preserve its natural essence. Originally cultivated during the Song dynasty, it was revered for its elegance and simplicity, earning a place among imperial offerings. This tea is known for its high natural antioxidant properties, which helps combat oxidative stress, supporting immunity and promoting calm. As the old saying goes, Fuding White Tea is a 1-year tea, a 3-year product,